Desklight Cutter 8001-200W Desktop Fiber Laser Cutting Machine. Adopts proprietary air cooling technology, compact and powerful, only 56 kilograms. Dimensions 850550510 mm, space saving and easy to place. Effective cutting area 300 mm 300 mm, accurately cuts stainless steel, aluminum, copper and other metals, one pass forming without polishing. Equipped with 3-color status light, safety door interlock and fully enclosed guide rails for safety compliance. Supports Wi-Fi control, operable via mobile phone and computer. Positioning accuracy 0.03 mm, efficient and stable. Ideal for small batch precision processing in workshops, education, DIY, hardware and gift industries.